So I've done the top stitch now. Here it is for the pocket, so it looks nice. I think everything is perfect and aligned. So what we're going to do next is we need to now attach the back pocket. So I love these slanted pockets, they always look good. So the next step now is to attach the back pocket here on this side like this, and I'm going to pin them because I want them to be absolutely straight. So I don't want anything to move here in any direction. Everything must just be absolutely perfect. I can already see that it's not. So let me move this. The grooves here on these on this corduroy makes it slightly more difficult to do the work. So I'm just going to pin these two together here. I use these tilting pins here because this corduroy is a bit thick, so it's just to make sure that they are fine. So I'm pinning it. No, I'm going to pin them together here like this. Then I want to pin here. There it's straight. You must just be absolutely careful here with this stuff. This one is like you mustn't poke holes into the cloth. And then here at the bottom I want it also to be correct here, especially here. So I'm just going to show stitch one pocket just so that we keep the videos as short as possible. So I pin my because and at least I know we are not making trouble. Okay, so let's start. Make sure that they're aligned here. Okay. I don't want these things to overlap or later on don't lie straight or the way that I want it. It's be absolutely perfect. Okay, I think this is fine for now. So after this, we're going to do a top stitch or a stay stitch. They call it actually a stay stitch, just to make sure the pockets stay in place. Okay, so now we're going to do the curve here, and to do the curves on the serger or the overlocker is very easy. You just form the curve according to the blade, and you use your hand to move here, and then they form perfectly actually. See now. So it's really not difficult doing the curves. I'm just going to cut it off there. You just move it the way you want it, and then it will do its thing. So these ones at the bottom I tie up. Not that they will come loose, but in any case. Okay, so there's the pocket. Tie this one up as well. This is finished. So the next part is now just to do the stitch here on top to hold the pocket at the side, and then to do a stitch there to hold everything in place. But there's the pocket now. Absolutely perfect. Look at that, nicely done. Okay, and here at the bottom as well. So, okay, so the next one I'm going to switch off now and do the next one.